Hi, I'm Kathy. I'm half of the Insurance Mythbusters, and today we have our reoccurring guest.
Hi.
This is Carmen Luciano. She is from our financial planning department. So what myth do we have today that we're going to talk about?
Accidental life insurance or regular life insurance? Which one do I pick?
And why? Okay, I'm not really licensed to talk about that, so I think I'll throw that one over to you, Carmen.
Thank you. I thought this was teamwork.
Yeah, I know. I'll add some comments now and then.
Well, accidental death, some individuals may know it as AD&D, which is accidental death and dismemberment versus regular life insurance. And a lot of people get confused, and we want to make sure that we clear, this up for everyone. A regular life insurance, like for example, term life or whole life, which is also known as permanent life, is going to cover many things should a person pass away. And accidental death is actually, that's what it's for. If you're in an accident or your death has been caused due to an accident, and they'll only cover because it was an accidental death.
Or dismemberment.
Or right, but okay, that was a little creepy.
That's all I think of when you say that.
But the dismemberment, remember, you really have to understand your policy and read through it because it will only cover certain percentages.
Oh,
depending on.
So if it's this,
exactly,
and not
maybe
this.
exactly might be a certain percentage.
Oh, okay.
So if you're concerned, accidental death, usually you may receive that option at your place of employment. If you can afford it and it's something that's usually very cost effective, go ahead and select it. It's not going to hurt. Right. But if you're looking for a life insurance that's really going to take care of your loved ones, should something happen to you, whether it's an accident or an illness, natural causes, then your best bet is to go ahead and get a regular life insurance.
So to a certain degree, it's kind of, you get what you pay for. It's a really cheap policy because it's only going to cover you for this many things.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. And you want to be very careful because a lot of people get lost with that it's inexpensive or it's a lesser premium, but they don't understand that there's restrictions to that policy.
Yeah, having a heart attack's not an accident.
It's not an accident.
No.
That's a natural cause.
Right.
So you want to understand your policy and what you're actually applying for. So make sure that you understand that. Make sure you ask the questions, that it's not going to be accidental and you're thinking you're getting a great deal for a certain amount of coverage, and then you realize that it's not going to take care of your family if it's a natural cause.
Okay. So it's maybe like a little great rider to throw on a policy.
Yeah.
But that's it. It's really not going to give you full life insurance for every event that could happen.
Exactly. So understanding the difference. One is accidental, and if it has the dismemberment, you have to also understand that dismemberment has to do with certain percentages of coverage.
Yeah, this or this, So, okay, so I think that myth is, I guess, busted. It's just that it is life insurance, but it's only for a very limited number of causes. And I think the reoccurring advice we keep giving is talk to a professional and get a true explanation of what you're buying before you put your money out there.
Right. Don't get lost with the premium.
Yep.
Understand the coverage.
So that's it for now. Bye-bye.
Bye.
You should call it accidental death insurance.
I try to make it funny.